Dipanshu from Navi School, Lodi Road. To understand, our topic is the quadratic scale. To understand the quadratic scale, first we have to know what is the quadratic equation. The equation in a form of ax square plus bx plus c, where a does not equal to 0 and abc belongs to the real numbers. Now we have our mass model. It's quadratic scale, three parts, three scales. First, two scales are attached and one is movable scale. The attached scale are b by 2 scale and s scale, and movable scale is m scale. And this scale used to find the roots, this scale used to find the factors of quadratic polynomial, this scale used to find the zeros of quadratic polynomial, this scale used to find the nature of roots, whether it is real, whether it is complex. Now we have some steps to find the roots as given our algorithm. The first step is that obtain the quadratic equation, which is in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And now we have four conditions. B is odd, first condition, and second condition B is irrational, third condition B is equal to 0 and AC perfect square. Fourth condition is that B is equal to 0 and AC not perfect square. Now come to the first condition. If B is equal to 0, then we multiply the whole equation by 2 and find the value of B by 2 and proceed to the further steps as given our algorithm. Now second condition is that then B is irrational, then we multiply the whole equation by its rationalizing factor and find the value of b by 2 and proceed to the further steps. If third condition is b is equal to 0 and AC is perfect square, then we find the value of b by 2 and proceed to the further steps. In fourth condition, b is equal to 0 and AC is not perfect square, then we multiply the whole equation by under root AC and proceed to the further steps as given in the algorithm. Let's take an example and we will show you how to find the roots. Let's take an example.
The equation is x square plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0.
Now
a is equals to 1, b equals to 5 and c equals to 6. Now here b is odd. In the first question is if b is odd, then we multiply whole equation by 2. That is new equation is 2x square plus 10x plus 12 equals to 0.
And now we have new values.
In the second step, find the value of b by 2. We find the value of b by 2 is 5. Then in the third
step, we align the 0 of m scale with the value of b by 2, which we get the 5. The 0 of m scale is here. We align the 0 with the value. Now we align the 0 of m scale with the 5, and
the fourth step is calculate b by 2 whole square minus 3. That is b by 2 whole square is 5 square minus 2 into 12. That is 25 minus 24.
Then we get the 1. Now in that, on the s scale we have two values of 1, and we have to check the values below the 1 is 4 and 5. 4 and 5.
Here the values are in this case is 4 and 6.
4 and 6, sorry. And then in the last step, then we divide the values obtained by a in that equation.
Here a is 2, then we divided by a. Then the roots are 2 and 3.
And now let's show another example.
X square plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Here b is even, then we directly
find the value of b by 2.
Here b by 2 is 1.
We align the 0 of m scale with the 1 like that, and then we again calculate the b by 2 whole square minus AC.
b by 2 square minus AC. 1 minus 1 equals to 0.
And now we have to check the values below the 0 of s scale. We get the minus 1, and we divide in the last step we get the minus 1, and we divide in the last step we divide by a.
Divided by a is 1 and 1. The roots are minus 1 and minus 1.
The value of b by 2 whole square minus ac is 0, so that's why roots are equal. So that's our quadratic scale. It is new innovation in mathematics. Which used to find the roots with less calculation and without solving the equation to make maths interesting. Thank you.